it's me, Abby, and my good friend Penny the piano is here too.
Welcome back, friends!
Welcome back to Abby's Piano Room. Today's song is so much fun. It's called Are You Sleeping? Before we start, let's learn a little bit about our song. Are You Sleeping is a song children have been singing for many, many years, even before your grandparents were little. It comes from France, where it's called Frère Jacques. Can you say that with me? Frère Jacques. Frère Jacques means Brother John. This song is about a man named Brother Jacques who works in a church. We'll call him Brother John. One morning he sleeps in and almost forgets to ring the big church bells. His friends call out to him, "Are you sleeping?" And he jumps up, runs to the bell tower, and rings the bells. Ding, ding, dong! It's a fun song about waking up and starting the day. When we play it on the piano, we'll start nice and calm, just like someone sleeping. And then get a little louder as we try to wake them up. Before we play the song, let's talk about loud and soft sounds. When something is loud, we say forte in music. Can you say that with me? Forte! When something is soft, we say piano in music. This word doesn't mean the instrument here. It's a word that means quiet. Can you say it with me? Piano! Now, let's play the whole song from beginning to end. First, do you see this castle? We'll go on a quest to a faraway land. We are on a piano adventure. 1, 2, ready, go! Awesome job! That's it for today's lesson. You did an amazing job today. I'm so proud of you. Next time we'll learn something new, so keep playing, keep smiling, and remember, every note you play is a step toward becoming a piano maestro. Just keep playing this around 3 times each day. Next time, we'll learn a new song and keep building our skills. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are becoming a piano maestro, one key at a time. You've got this. Bye, friends.
Bye, everyone!
Don't forget to come back next week for your next lesson. Want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Click the link below to get your free coloring page and music worksheet. You can use the song to practice your little group. See you next time!